Backing up your Mac is an essential first step when doing anything out of the ordinary with your Mac operating system. Backing up is your responsibility, and there are many ways to go about doing it, and tons of great tutorials online. We're not here to provide a tutorial on this subject, but to help point you in the right direction. You could use Apple's Time Machine app, which is super user-friendly and integrated into macOS, but can be difficult or sometimes impossible to downgrade your macOS to a previous version. But aside from that, it's a great option. You could use Disk Utility to basically clone your drive through the app's Restore feature, which varies from one Mac to the other, and that can get technical and confusing. Or you could use third-party apps like Carbon Copy Cloner, where you pick the disk you want to create a clone of, and it creates an exact bootable clone on whatever disk you give it. This one is great because it can be scheduled and keep your clone up to date quickly. The point is not to show you how, but to insist that you really must create your own backup strategy, and to show you that there are so many ways to back up, even geeky ways, like using terminal apps such as rsync, DD, or Ditto, to do all kinds of geeky, cloney things. Whichever way you go, back up everything that you don't want to lose and be certain to check that your backup actually works. Don't forget to test it. Once you have your data backed up, check out the menu in the video description and pick one of our video tutorials.